Hello everyone. So I brought this beautiful shades of Huda Beauty. They are not original but they are dupe. The first one is in shade Heartbreaker. The second I got is in shade Video Star. And the third is in shade Drama Mama. This is more chocolatey. So let's swatch it. So the first one is the shade Heartbreaker. It's more in darker shade and goes with all skin colors. It's more glossy, dark maroon shade, and it's creamy. They are dupe, but they are so creamy. I must say that I love their texture. Just look how smoothly it applied on. The next matte lipstick I'm applying is in shade Video Star. It's in a family of pink, shocking pink. Its texture is also smooth, glossy, and it applied so well and it looks so beautiful. And the last shade I'm applying is in the shade Drama Mama. It smells chocolatey and it's way more chocolatey color. It looks so good and it's creamy. I got them from a local market near my residence. Each lipstick cost me only 150 rupees. Thanks for watching. Bye.